People will do almost anything to lose weight, and some turn to surgery. Others try unproven techniques. And one local doctor says she has a new treatment that she says can melt your fat away.
I just really didn't feel as comfortable in my clothing.
Alan Janoff tried every diet he could find. None of them worked. Then New Jersey doctor Marion Shapiro said she could take inches off his waistline without surgery. Alan jumped at the opportunity. 10 weeks later, he was 4 inches thinner. How'd he do it? Dr. Shapiro performed a procedure called mesotherapy. She injected medications under his skin to, quote, make his fat and cellulite melt away.
All the drugs Dr. Shapiro uses are FDA approved, but most of them are stimulants, and they're not approved for weight loss.
These drugs include the asthma drug aminophylline and the heart medication isoproterenol. The concoction also includes an anesthetic and an herb called mellotus.
I don't believe that they're true stimulants, and the amount of medication that I'm injecting is not enough to really cause a stimulation to their body.
But is it enough to cause weight loss? No one's quite sure how the drugs could do it, and there's no research in this country showing they actually work. But emergency medicine specialist Dr. Shapiro says 60,000 doctors in Europe and South America practice mesotherapy. She had to go to France to learn how to do it.
2 weeks training is all you had.
I did only 2 weeks training. When you're trained in emergency medicine, you're trained for just about anything. I have found that 75% of the patients respond dramatically to the treatments, and that they show anywhere from 2 to 3 inch loss in their waists and hips and saddlebags and thighs within 4 to 6 weeks.
Those numbers will be hard for most physicians to believe, but Dr. Shapiro is now starting a study of her own to try to prove mesotherapy is not just a gimmick. And she's convinced at least one of her patients.
I really must say that the weight in the one area where she really did the shots definitely was a big difference in the inches that I lost.
So you think it's the shots that made the difference?
Definitely.